Hi guys, welcome back to Shamon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today, checking out the type of meal we're going to be preparing together today. I got one of my own special recipes. Today guys, we're going to be making chicken shrimp fried rice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you the ingredients up front. I have rice-a-roni, the stir-fried rice-a-roni that you can, I use 2 boxes. I also have Lawry seasoning salt, garlic salt, a half of cup of soy sauce. I chopped up 2 long green onions, they call them scallions. I have 2 scrambled eggs. I have the rice here that I showed you out of the box. I have that good old bean sprouts. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that. And then like I said, I already have my meat. I got my pan getting hot over here. Then you're gonna go ahead and add the olive oil to your pan. So what you wanna do when you do your rice, you're gonna go ahead and let your rice cool off. You're gonna rinse your rice off. I usually rinse my rice after I cook it, rinse the starch off a little bit, and I let it cool for a good 10 minutes. Let it cool because you don't want no hot rice when you're mixing up everything. It's going to become hot, so you don't want to overcook your rice. We made shrimp and chicken already. We're going to go ahead and put our scallions, which is green onions, inside the pan. Now, my little secret, everybody has a different way of doing it, is I chopped up chicken breast. Sometimes you can get it already brought, pre-chopped up and seasoned already to your liking, whatever you prefer. Get them going. Then guys, we're gonna go ahead and add that rice. Okay, now I'm gonna take my 2 spoons and kind of get it all mixed around. Now my rice is a little bit moist. I left a little bit of water. Not much, you want to take mostly all the water out, but I'm going to add the packets that come to the rice-a-roni in my rice. Now let's go back to mixing. I smell those flavors, green onions, rice. Now, we're going to go ahead and add in the meat. So me, I'm going to go ahead and add my soy sauce. You add your soy sauce according to your likings. Now I'm going to add my bean sprouts. I like them a little crunchy, but you want to get them done. For me, I want a little bit more soy sauce for a little bit more coloring, especially. Just a little. Then I'm going to add that egg. You're going to add just a half a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Don't have to, it's optional. And a half a teaspoon of that garlic salt that I was showing you. See, I left a little bit of water in there also because it carries gravy. It makes a gravy, it's not dry. And I'm going to let it cook for another 3 minutes and we'll be all good. Nice. For the moment of truth, here it is. Look at that. The aroma in here is amazing. It's amazing.
When I tell you it smells good, it's good. It smells scrumptious. Yeah, it's got the chicken and shrimp.
Now, for me, I'm going to add my own special little gravy here. And I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to share you that recipe at another day, another video. It's time to get to tasting, y'all. All right, here we go. Cooled off a little bit. This is an awesome, easy dish, simple to make, guys. I gave you the ingredients. I laid it out for you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and checking me out. As always, be blessed, you and your family, and go try this dish out. Thank you.